Good afternoon. Here today with a bit of a surprise unboxing. Surprise to me. I just wanted to share it. Um, Got home to a surprise in the mail. Ordered this from the boys at Blade HQ about a month ago, and ordered it after a couple of relaxing drinks. I saw it, I really liked it, and I went for it. It was an exclusive. And it got stuck at the Canadian border for about a month. I forgot about it. I have so much going on, I forgot all about it. And then it showed up. And I really like surprises. And this is it. This is by a company called Daggerr, with two R's. It's a Russian company, a Russian knife maker. I've seen their products and kind of liked what I was seeing. And then when Blade HQ showed me this little unit, there's of course some information on how to have a look at and contact the company. I just had to get it. I don't know. It sounds tacky, but it spoke to me. This natural G10. This, I guess they kind of call it jade. Little bit of texture on it, and then very smooth lines around the finger holes. Nice little lanyard back spacer. It's the first natural G10 knife that I've owned. Of course, the deep carry pocket clip, I think, is just kind of funny. And then there's the screws through the eyes, and they're blue titanium. They're a blue. Just really liked it. Skull symbol in their quote unquote spidey hole. Very smooth. Great size, and again, it was just that blade shape, that spear point. It is a straight grind. There's no hollow in there. Yeah, there you go. It is a very unique shape. Folded, of course, it's very Spyderco-esque when you kind of look at it if you're not paying attention. And I own a couple. Not, I'm not a fan, but I own some. But this was just, I don't know. I couldn't resist it. Plus, it's in my favorite, D2. I have, the CPMs, the crucible steels. I've got some very interesting long wearing steels, blade steels, but D2 still rings true for me in a great all around tough steel. Just, it's a good tool steel. So here we are. You got really nice thumb rail up here with some jimping on it. So when you're in here, it's locked. This thing locks up very nice. It's comfortable. It's much bigger. Of course, there were specs. I guess I wasn't really paying that much attention. I just saw it and said, wow. And I did not think it was this big. It is a larger EDC. They tout themselves, this company Daggerr, as being kind of a crossover tactical everyday carry. And I've got some larger knives. I've got lion steel Daggerr, which is a big knife. And this thing was just, I don't know, visually, I can't put my finger on it. It's just the whole package kind of speaks to me. I like it. Each individual component, would I like this blade on a different handle, and would I like this handle with a different blade? I don't know. It might not be, because this reminds me of like a paramilitary Spyderco, this handle, and I don't like that knife, but this thing is just doing it for me. light but robust. And you may know what I mean by that. It doesn't feel cheap. The lockup is 100%. It's not going anywhere. It is a liner lock instead of a frame lock, but the lockup is substantial. You can see in there that there's some skeletonization in the liners to reduce the weight. But the action is just almost beautiful, nice, good to taunt, right? The ball in there is strong, so it's not going anywhere on its own, and you can just swing it out free. Once you break past that ball bearing, she flicks really well. So really not a whole lot more to get into. I'm going to do some extended carry and do my own testing on it. It did come out of the box dead ass sharp. It is sharpened very well. The apex is balanced very well, as you can see. I'm still going to put a mirror on it because, as y'all know, I have a problem. It's just the way it is. And so that's it. It's going to be a short one. That is the Daggerr Sting. Actually, I neglected that. The model is the Sting. The model number is the FM022JD, if that helps, from Daggerr. Nice presentation, nice box. It's not cheap, and if you like storing in the originals or trading with people, this is it's a nice presentation for a $70 blade. Very affordable, well made, and two of my favorite things, G10 and D2. So there you go. Check them out. At the moment, Blade HQ is the only place I know that distributes them, and this particular one was an exclusive, but they have them in different blade shapes and different handle materials. So go check them out because they're not an expensive knife. But this is shaping up to be a nice addition to my collection. I'll follow up with y'all. So as usual, please comment, share, like it, subscribe if you haven't, and comment some more. Let me know what you think, good or bad, what you might want to see so I can get it, and what you might want to hear so I can say it. All right. Have a great day.